Philippine News Canada is brought to you by Rayford Media Group.
Hello mga kabayan! Narito na ang pinalawak at pinalakas na coverage ng Philippine News Canada, Balitang Vancouver Nationwide. Mga pangunahing balitang nakalap ng aming news team para sa linggong ito. Nagbabalita mula dito sa Fraser Street para sa Lapu-Lapu Day. Ako po si Rosette Correa at ito ang Philippine News Canada, Balitang Vancouver. Ayan mga kababayan, makikita nyo naman gaano kahaba ang Lapu-Lapu Street Party mula 41st hanggang 49th ng Fraser. Kaya dapat nandito kayo ngayon or don't forget to come here next year. Let's go! Woo!
Yeah, the second annual Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party. The sun shines out. We've got more vendors and food vendors, community groups participating. I think everybody's enjoying it. I'm really happy.
So, there's more people who supported this year, or same as last year?
We have more space, we have more vendors, we have more booths, we have more community groups. They opened up the whole of 43rd from Fraser to St. George. And also we're using now the main stage, the mixed main stage is in the field. So it's bigger and better, and I hope everybody enjoys it. Yeah, it's a good turnout. I think the sunshine helps too.
Yeah, of course, the weather.
Yeah.
Cooperating.
Yeah.
So, how about the performance of Apple the App tonight?
Yeah, looking forward to that. We have a lot of great local performers. Want to support them, and also on the main stage, Apple the App from Black Eyed Peas. I think that's everyone's really looking forward to that. You know what I'm really happy about with Lapu-Lapu Day is that we have so many young people volunteering, getting involved, participating, you know, connecting to their heritage and getting involved in the community. So for me, that's the highlight. Okay, all right, thank you.
I'll see you around.
Hello mga kabayan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Fraser Street para makiselebrate sa Lapu-Lapu Street Party at syempre nandito lahat ng mga Pilipino at kanilang mga kaibigan para kumain, para ma-entertain ng ating mga Filipinos at ng ating Filipino culture. Syempre, kasama din dito sa atin ngayon ang mga taga-Pilipinas, 'di ba? Kasama dapat sa selebrasyon 'yan. And kasama natin ngayon si Yoli Abalos at si Dino Alibudbod para malaman ninyo kung bakit sila nandito. Yoli, bakit nga ba nandito ka?
Ay, maraming salamat po. Nandito po ako para humingi po ng suporta sa inyo, sa Pilipinas po, para iboto po si Benhar Abalos sa pagiging senator po. Ang number 1 po sa ating balota. Maraming salamat po.
At Manong Dino, ano po ang masasabi ninyo?
Marami po salamat sa pagkakataong binigay niyo sa amin. Huwag po natin kalimutan ang number 1 na senador, na attorney na maaasahan natin, matalino, matapang, at hindi magnanakaw. Okay? Talaga po. Yun lang po, huwag po natin kalimutan siya. Salamat po. Naririto rin po kami para makipag-join sa selebrasyon ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino.
Tama.
Nakikisalamuha din po kami sa inyong selebrasyon sa ginaganap po ngayon na Lapu-Lapu Fiesta. Maraming salamat po sa mga taong nandito po at maraming salamat din po sa inyong suporta.
Yes.
Ayan mga kababayan, huwag niyong kalilimutan Ben-Hur Abalos, number 1 sa listahan ninyo para sa eleksyon sa Pilipinas. Hindi niya kailangan mag-TikTok video para magpa-cute. Number 1 po, matalino at maaasahan, Ben-Hur Abalos. At huwag niyo rin kalilimutang bumoto dito sa Canada at may eleksyon din tayo, okay?
Yes.
Siyempre, kasama ang sayawan sa Any Filipino Street Party. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon, nanonood ng mga nagzuzumba, ang mga Zumbaers. Kaya samahan ninyo kami dito sa Lapu-Lapu Street Party and let's Zumba! Ayan ang galing-galing mag-zumba ni Tita. Tita, nagzuzumba ka talaga?
Oo.
Ilang taon ka na nagzuzumba?
Ay, mga ilang taon na rin.
Diba? O, pakisama kayo.
I go with Roslyn.
Oh, ang galing-galing nyo.
Ay, hindi naman. I need it for exercise. Thank you. What's your name?
Siyempre, kasama sa celebration ng Indo-Pacific Canada. Manay Inday, you're here. Kumusta?
I'm so good. I'm so proud to see you. She is one of our awardee in the Indo-Pacific Foundation. Rosette, the best.
Yay! Cultural Ambassador!
Thank you, thank you.
Good afternoon. Ako si Myla Bicol. And I'm the owner and the creator ng May Abubot.
So tell us paano nagsimula itong business mo?
Nagsimula lang to kasi as a hobby. Yung nagawa-gawa lang ako ng something for me to, yung parang stress reliever ko mag-craft. And then nagustuhan ng mga friends ko, sabi nila, Myla, why don't you try selling? And so I said, oh sure. So yung nagsimula ako last year, maganda naman yung feedback ng mga tao. So I started joining the market. And a portion of my proceed actually goes to my charity called Alexa Mira Society. Ito ho. So parang ginagawa ko yung what I love to do, but also supporting my charity. Yung charity ko, yung to help the Filipinos, yung mga people in poverty. So yun yung yun ang purpose ng Alexa Mira Society, which I support through my Abubot. Oh yes. So you can get a hold of me through Instagram, Facebook. I also have a website, my Abubot.
We're at the Lapu Lapu Day block party for 88 Supermarket. So it's a great way for us to really connect with our Filipino customers and the community. So we're super excited to be here today. So yeah.
Is this your first time or
Yes.
last year you were here too?
No, this is our first time at the Lapu Lapu event, and so it's a big turnout. And so what we're offering is spin the wheel, and you get some free snacks and drinks at 88 Supermarket, and also some items that we're selling, and also our gift card. We're selling it with a value of $110, but we're selling them for $100. So you'll save about $10 on that as well.
So far, what your experience here in this event, in this occasion? what do you
Yeah,
think?
it's been so great. I love the live music. There's so many families, young people, older individuals coming to our booth as well. And it's great to see which 88 Supermarket store they're shopping at. We've been seeing a lot of Victoria, so that's been great, but it's really nice to just connect with the community. So we're very appreciative of the opportunity to be here today.
Oh, taho! O taho, ayan mga kababayan, dito sa Fraser Street ngayon for the Lapu-Lapu Street Party. Kasama natin ngayon ang O Taho. Hello, say hello! Ayan. Ano ba ang meron ng O Taho ngayong araw na to?
Meron po kaming one serving. It comes with the syrup and tapioca. And we have our empanada. called empanada, and we have a soup. That's broccoli.
Ayan. At syempre, ang kanilang specialty, ang taho. Kaya pumunta ka ngayon dito ngayon sa Fraser Street, Lapu-Lapu Street Party. Let's have some taho. Oh, taho! Naliligaw ba kayo? Pupunta ba kayo ng Blumentritt o ng Libertad? O pupunta ba kayo ng Pasay Rotonda o ng Moraita? O may special ba kayo? Mga kababayan, hindi kayo nawawala. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Lapu-Lapu Street Party na nangyayari dito sa Fraser Street sa Vancouver. Kaya samahan ninyo kami kahit hindi kayo makakarating ng Blumentritt.
Filipino, come on, come on, swear! Queens, let's go! Oh, I had the time of my life. Beautiful, and I never felt this way before. And I swear, this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Of course, the ladies wins again. Damn.
Let's go!
Thought I got that one. Sanabagan.
Sa kabila ng kasiyahan ng selebrasyon ng Lapu-Lapu, isang hindi inaasahan ang biglang ikinagulat ng lahat. Matapos ang napakasayang finale ng concert ng ating kababayan na si Apple the App, biglang nabalot ng kalungkutan ang lahat dahil sa nakakagimbal at nakakalungkot na sumunod na pangyayari nang biglang humagurot ang isang black na SUV sa mga taong bumibili ng pagkain sa mga food trucks. Ito ay ikinamatay ng ilang mga tao at marami ding nasaktan na nasa ospital. Karamihan ay hanggang ngayon ay nasa kritikal na kondisyon. Dahil dito, nagkaroon ng isang pagsasama-sama ang iba't ibang komunidad upang makiramay sa mga namatayan at nasaktan. Nakiisa sa pakikiramay ang ilang daang Filipino-Canadians na dumalo sa isang vigil na ginanap sa Fraser Street kung saan naganap ang Lapu-Lapu Block Party incident noong nakaraang Sabado. Ilang mga politiko kabilang si MLA Mabel Elmore and BC Premier David Eby ang nakiramay at naglagay ng mga bulaklak upang bigyang alaala ang mga nasawi sa nasabing insidente. Ang nasabing trahedya ay may 11 namatay na opisyal na diniklara ng Vancouver Police. Ang kaisa-isang suspect na si 30-year-old Kai G. Adam Law ay humaharap sa 8 counts of murder. Hanggang ngayon ay iniimbestiga pa ng pulis ang kanyang motibo sa pagpatay at pagsagasa sa mga inosenteng biktima. Nagkaroon din ng mga misa at mga prayer vigil ang ilang mga parokya sa Lower Mainland. Ang Rayfort Media Group ay taus-pusong nakikiramay sa lahat ng mga naapektuhang pamilya sa trahedyang naganap sa Lapu-Lapu Block Festival noong ika-26 ng Abril. Ipinagdarasal naming mga mamamayan ang mga nasabing nasa kritikal na kondisyon nating mga kababayan.
Dear members of the Filipino community, on behalf of all of us at the Surrey Police Service, I offer my sincere condolences to all members of the Filipino community following the tragic event that unfolded at the Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party in Vancouver. It is difficult to know what to say in the wake of such a senseless act that has impacted the Filipino community and all Canadians so deeply. As police officers and policing support staff, we feel a profound sense of duty to protect all communities. It will be our collective responsibility to ensure that the Canadian Filipino community can return to feeling safe in the neighborhoods where they live, work, and gather together. Datu Lapu-Lapu is described as an enduring symbol of unwavering resistance and indomitable spirit, and someone who has taught the Filipino community that they can withstand any challenge when united together. It is our hope that these bonds within your community and the support provided by those around you will help you heal during this difficult time. Sincerely, Norm Lipinski, Chief Constable, Surrey Police Service.
Okay, so thank you very much, and this afternoon we will meet some of the group, and I'll give this to them.
Thank you, very appreciate
and
it.
I'll show this video.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much
All the
for
best.
your concern to the Filipino community.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa aming sponsor, ang 88 Supermarket na may 3 branches sa Victoria Drive, sa Killarney Market at sa Richmond. Maraming salamat po. At dito na naman nagtatapos ang balita namin para sa linggong ito. Kung kayo may mga komento, mga issue o balitang nais yung ibahagi sa aming programa, ang PNC ay bukas para sa inyong lahat. Mag-email lamang po sa balitangvancouver@gmail.com o tumawag sa 604-588-6397. Mula dito sa Fraser Street for Lapu-Lapu Street Party, ako po si Rosette Correa. At ito ang Philippine News Canada, Balitang Vancouver. Mabuhay ang Pilipino!